What is the best smartphone stabilizer for your YouTube videos o for your vlog? Sa video na ito, i-share ko sa iyo ang aking paboritong smartphone stabilizer na ginagamit ko na din sa aking mga vlogs at saka sa aking YouTube video. Hi, Rose here of Video Marketing for Beginners Philippines, helping you to grow your business and brand with online video. On this channel, we are going to talk about YouTube strategy and YouTube equipment like this one. So if this is your first time here, consider subscribing. And now let's go into the video. One of my favorite smartphone stabilizer is the Ulanzi U-Rig. So if you are looking for the links of this equipment, of this video equipment, you can check on the description below. So the things that I like this Ulanzi U-Rig is that meron siyang ditong tatlong cold shoe, this one, 1, 2, and 3. And then, another butas dito na pwede mo gamitin for other purposes. And then, this one na pwede mong ilagay or i-mount to your tripod. So, first thing na gagawin natin if you have a tripod is to mount this Ulanzi U-Rig to your tripod. Or you can also use this one even if you don't have a tripod. Kasi pwede mo siyang gamitin pang ganun. Pang stabilizer, or you can put just like this one. Okay, so right now, since I have a stand here, gagamitin natin. Ang kailangan gawin is to put here. So, make sure lang na mag-match po yung screw niya dito at yung butas niya dito. Because there are sometimes na hindi sila match. Okay, so, ikotin mo lang siya. Here you go. Pwede na po yung magiging hitsura niya. And another thing is that meron din siyang lock dito sa likod. So, pwede mo siyang paluwagan and pwede mo siyang higpitan. So, kapag lalagyan mo na siya ng cellphone, may way dito mo ilagay sa gitna yung cellphone. So, kailangan mo nang luwagan tong lock niya. So, kapag ina-unlock mo yung likod nito, guys, make sure na tama lang yung pag-ikot mo kasi minsan natatanggal to. Yun lang po yung disadvantage niya kasi malay natin, matanggal tapos mawala, diba? So, hindi mo na magagamit yung lock niya. So, tamang-tama lang yung pag-ikot mo. And then, put your smartphone here. So, kailangan mo siyang hilahin pataas, like this one. And, dapat magkasya yung phone mo. Alright? Don't forget to unlock here. Hindi matanggal yung cellphone mo once you are going to move your stabilizer. So, ayun, okay na siya, guys. Ganito na po yung hitsura niya. And in case you have another accessories like this one, a LED light, so you can put it on your Ulanzi U-Rig. Make sure lang po, once you are going to buy, dapat mayroong mga lock dito, tsaka yung hot shoe niya. Kasi, imamount mo siya dito sa Ulanzi U-Rig niya. Ikotin mo lang siya dito. If you have a Boya mic, like this one, ilagay mo din siya dito para complete yung accessories natin. So, my tip for you if bibili ka online is that make sure na meron siyang kasama na mga hot shoe. Dapat i-lock mo siya ng maayos, guys, para hindi siya matanggal once na mag-move ka. Alright, this is now your simple YouTube setup for your YouTube videos or for your vlogs. If you are looking for the links of this YouTube equipment, just check in the description below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button kasi marami pa tayong pag-usapan about YouTube equipment so that you can create a good quality content for your business and brand, or if you are going to build your influence, impact, and income with online videos. So make sure to subscribe. Alright, question of the day. What smartphone stabilizer you are using on your YouTube videos? Let me know by leaving a comment below. And if you get value from this video, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. For more YouTube equipment reviews, you can check on this video. Again, ako po si Rose ang laging nagsasabi sa'yo na if you want to start a YouTube channel for your business and brand, just start with whatever you have. And I will see you on my next video.